You searched how to buy shares of Moog Inc. Here is a concise walkthrough. Moog Inc. makes precision motion control and aerospace components in trades on NASDAQ under the ticker MOG.A, and this is educational information, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker MOG.A to locate the company listing. Make sure you select the matching Moog Inc. result on NASDAQ. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm this is the correct asset. Double-check the ticker MOG.A and the NASDAQ exchange label before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until the next session, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the description for reference.